Hi, welcome to another episode of Gardening Basic Series. In this series, we will be discussing about watering requirements of our plants. So basically, in this episode, we will be talking about when, how often, and how much should we water our plant. And apart from that, we'll also discuss some do's and don'ts, or you can say things to remember whenever we are watering our plants. So this is all we'll be discussing today. Hi, this is Aparna. Welcome to Aparna's Green Garden channel. So whenever we are watering our plant, um, basically if we are beginners specifically, we encounter problems because of overwatering. Because usually overwatering is the one which will be the early cause of death of a plant. So this is where we usually have problems. So that too particularly when we have plants in indoors. So we'll all be seeing those things. Whenever we are watering a plant, the watering conditions of a plant usually depend on things like what is the type of plant we want to put in indoors or outdoors, and next is what is the plant size, that is whether it's a small sapling or a big one or a medium sized plant, and next one will be the container whichever we are using, because in earlier videos also we saw that the container also would influence the amount of moisture the container is holding for the plant. Apart from that, what kind of soil we are using in it. If we are already making some potting mixes and if it has too much amount of coco peat in it, yes, it will definitely hold a lot of moisture. So apart from that, weather also plays very important role. So if it is a summer, watering requirement is a different thing. If it is rainy and if it is a winter season, the requirements will be different. So if you see here, the requirements of plants keep on constantly changing with all these factors. So keeping in view all these factors, we will have to water our plant. So basically for a beginner, it is little tricky understanding all these things, but we will discuss all the things which will make easy for beginners to understand the watering requirements of a plant. So now first, when we see when should we water our plant, when should we water this, ideally it is said that we have to water our plant in the morning or in the evening, because at this point of time the water evaporation is less, and the roots will get more time to absorb the water, that is it will have, since the water is absorbed and it is moisture is being holden out in your soil, it will have lot of time to absorb. Whereas in the middle of the day, if you see, the soil gets dried very fast because the sun is intense. If it is summer season specifically, sun is very intense and the soil gets dried up very fast, because of which the roots will not be able to absorb the water completely. So because of these reasons, it is preferable to water either in the morning or in the evening. So make your watering schedule accordingly. Next thing is where should you water the plant? So definitely we all know the answer to it. Definitely it is in the near the roots we have to water. But there is a certain way of watering your plant. So whenever you are watering the plant, ensure that is remember that you are supposed to pour. Suppose if you are using some watering cans or some hose, or if you are using a bucket and a mug, then whenever you are pouring the water from the spout, ensure that the spout is closer, as much as closer to your soil rather than from certain height. Because when you are pouring the water from a height, see, I have a small sapling here of this succulent plant which is coming out. Now if I pour from certain height, what would happen is I might disturb this small sapling, or the roots might get disturbed. Because of which there will be some disturbance for the plant. So in order to avoid all those things, whenever you are pouring the water, keep the spout of the container, whatever you are using, as much as close to the soil as possible. So then one more thing which we get doubt is, whenever we are watering the plant, can we wet the leaves also? That is, now in case I am wetting my plant, I am giving water here to this pomegranate plant, can I mist my leaves or not? So the answer for this is yes, you can mist the leaves. You can mist the leaves in the morning preferably, but not in the evening. What would happen is, why do we mist the leaves? We mist the leaves in order to keep the leaves clean, or if you notice some ants or some aphids or some pests in our plant, that is when we start misting our plant. Or if you are applying a fertilizer, that is when we mist our plant. So unless it is for applying pesticides to our plants, I usually don't apply the water spray onto my leaves in the evenings. That is the reason, because whenever you're applying the leaves with water in the night time specifically, water tends to remain on the leaves and it will not dry out very fast, and because of that the plant is prone to fungal attacks. Suppose in case you are misting the leaves in the morning, chances of a fungal attack is very less, and the leaves will get dried out because of the sunlight or the outside atmospheric heat conditions. It will get dried out. So because of that there is no possibility of fungal attacks because of this water sitting on your leaves. So preferably, if you want to mist the leaves, kindly mist it in the morning time now rather than in the evening time. Next thing related to how often should we water and how much should we water the plant is, whenever you are watering the plant, that is, now I have this plant here. It's a succulent plant, and if you notice here, I am just touching the plant. See, the soil is very dry to touch. So now, does this plant require water or not? Now when I am putting my finger into the soil, little 1 or 2 inch deep, my hand is almost dry. That is, it's almost 95% dry. There is not much of moisture. So maybe I'll wait for a day or two here. That is, after I ensure that it is not moist, I'll wait for a day or two to be certain that it is okay to water the plant. That is when I'll be watering this. Here I have one more succulent plant here. If you notice this, I have already watered the plant. The soil is very moist to touch. The soil is very moist to touch. So now maybe this I would have watered a day or two back, and the soil is, since the soil is very moist to touch, probably I will skip watering for next 4 or 5 days. Probably after 4 or 5 days when I check and if I see that the soil is dry to touch, I'll wait for a day or two and then again moist. So even when you are getting hang of the things, if you follow this simple thumb rule, you will not kill the plant, but instead you will be able to have a good and healthy plant in your home. So this is one more of the thing, like how often or how much should you water the plant. So next, one more thing related to this aspect is, whenever you are applying water to the plant, first when you pour the water, and if you have a good drainage to the soil, whenever you pour the water will simply come out of the pot, and drain water will be collected underneath if you have a drain plate below. So if you notice here, whenever you are pouring the water, you should pour the water little by little so that the soil gets soaked, and once you see that the water has come out of drain hole, that is when you will know that the plant, the entire soil has got wet. Because if you notice there, I have one more plant here. This is due for repotting, so I'm just pulling it out to show you. If you notice here, all the roots are in the bottommost section. All the new roots whichever you are seeing are in the bottommost section. So if you mist only, or if you just apply water only in the top soil and just leave the plant like that, and say, okay, I'll water it again after a day or two, what happens is that the plant, all the roots of the plant could not have received moisture, and because of that the plant will droop, or it might suffer. So in order to avoid that, I would say water the plant thoroughly, let the soil soak up little by little until you notice the water coming off the drain hole. That is when you will be sure that all the roots has received the water. So if these small things, if you are remembering, and if you are able to apply them whenever you are watering, your plants will grow very healthy and they will thrive well. So next, coming to some other do's and don'ts. What kind of water should we use? Should we use filtered water or should we use normal tap water? It's okay to use normal tap water. I don't use any kind of filtered water or anything for my plants. I use just regular water. If you have too much of hardness in your water, it is better to in order to avoid excess salt buildup in your plants, it is always better to keep the water for a few hours aside and then filter out the top layers of water and then use them for your watering purposes. And should you use cold water or very hot water? Normal room temperature water is always ideal whenever you are watering the plant. So These are all few things related to watering. So if you remember all these things, you will have a good healthy plant. And one more important thing is, in order to avoid or prevent water loss, it is always good to mulch your, you know, this mulch your pots. And one more thing is, in indoor, whenever you are having these pots, either you maintain it as a double pot, that is you keep one pot in other pot if you don't have a drain hole for that particular pot, and if you have a plate saucer beneath which is collecting the water, please be sure to empty all these things, because if the water is stagnated in those saucers, it is a good place for breeding your mosquito larvae, specifically in the rainy season. So to avoid that, whenever you see your saucer is filled with water, just right away empty it. So these are all certain some of the do's and don'ts when associated to watering your plants. I hope this video is informative and it covers all the points which are essential for you. In case of any more clarifications, please write down to us in our comments box below. Until the next video, stay safe, take care, and whenever you are stepping outside, wear mask, practice social distancing. Thank you so much.